Unlocking the benefits. Joining the IBS family. Welcome to the Executive MBA program from IBS Hyderabad. The IBS Executive MBA program offers a comprehensive and dynamic learning experience tailored for seasoned professionals seeking to advance their careers. Integrates theory and practice, hones management skills, and identifies growth opportunities. Gain insights from experienced faculty with diverse industry and research backgrounds. Achieve the right work-study life balance to pursue the MBA dream. Learn through case studies, business research projects, and application-oriented modules for better business insights. Enables an interactive and collaborative environment for peer learning and real-time insights into business practices. Project-based learning lets students tackle real-world challenges with live research projects guided by expert faculty. Strong partnerships with businesses, industries, and governments supporting IBS initiatives enable better real-world connect. Access to career resources and support from the experienced IBS placement team. Merit-based scholarships to high-performing students based on academic performance each semester. Networking opportunities through the extensive IBS alumni network, connecting 62,000 professionals across Asia-Pacific, the USA, Europe, and the Middle East. Please contact us for details. We are happy to help. Thank you.